Hey guys, it's Kim Crystal here and welcome back to another video. Today I'm so excited because I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this glow in the dark dream catcher. It looks awesome at night. Here's a photo of how it looks. All you're going to need is some thin cotton once you've wrapped the hoop and tie a double knot at the base. It's just a basic simple double knot, nothing too fancy. If you guys want to know how to wrap a dreamcatcher hoop, just check on my channel. I've got another video titled How to Make a Dreamcatcher. It shows you exactly how to make the hoop for the dreamcatcher. So first off, I'm just creating a loop to start the web, and I'm just wrapping it around a chopstick, and you just go around the hoop and then you pull it through the hole and then just pull it down, and that creates the first loop for the web. You're just going to be repeating the steps. So it's around and then through the hole. You are just going to repeat this step right around the hoop. Try to keep the spacing as even as possible, just so that the web turns out coming in a full circle. And it's kind of cool, like you can do different amounts of points, so each little loop I'm making makes a point, and it all has each little individual meanings, which I will tell you guys in a second. So when you get to the base, you leave a little gap and then you come through the first loop you made. You go through it and then you need to pull it back through the little loop, and then you're just going to pull it tight, and that's how you start the next round, and you're just going to repeat doing the exact same thing all the way around. So back to the points. If you do 5 points for your dream catcher, in the Native American folklore, that represents the star for hope and dreams. If you do 6 points, that represents the eagle, which represents courage. 7 points is wisdom and patience. 8 points is the number of legs on a spider, so it symbolizes the legend of the dreamcatcher. You can do 12 points of the dreamcatcher, which represents peace and harmony. And then you can also do 13 points, which refers to the 13 phases of the moon. You can do as many or as few points in your dreamcatcher as you would like. The more points you do, the more intricate your web design will be. The less points you do, the more simple your design will be. When you're getting to the middle, just make sure that you're doing them really loose, because at the end we're just going to pull the web tight. This part is optional, as you guys can always just keep weaving all the way to the center. Once you're happy with the end of your dream catcher, all you're going to have to do is pull the rope a little bit long, and then you're just going to cut it just where you feel like you can still have enough room to tie a double knot. Just pull the ends tight and then loop it through the web, and then we're just going to tie a basic double knot. Just make sure it's nice and secure before you cut it short. Once you guys have finished weaving the web, now it's time to paint it with a glow-in-the-dark paint. I'm just going to dab it on with a basic kitchen washcloth and a little paintbrush. Just check the ingredients of your glow-in-the-dark paint. Just make sure it's safe for your house and body safe and for kids and animals. And I'm just also going to paint the feathers as well. I'll link down below where you guys can actually get some vegan feather options, which are actually synthetic feathers, which is really cool. And I'm also going to paint up the flowers, so I'm putting the glow-in-the-dark paint all over them, and then I'm just going to rub it in with the little cloth just to make sure it's an even and non-streaky paint, just so it's nice and even across the surface. And then I also added on glitter, which looks so beautiful, and also on the web because I couldn't resist, it's so sparkly and shiny. Once that is dried, you guys can start by adding on the tassels. So all you're going to have to do is fold the tassel in half, make a loop around the base of the dream catcher, and then loop it through. Then you're just going to have to pull the ends of it down, and it will be nice and secure. If you guys can't do this, you guys can just tie it on with a double knot and just keep adding tassels, as many or as few as you'd like. You can add them in whichever colors you would like as well. If you guys would like, you can also become really intentional about what you guys are actually wanting to create, where you can actually find the symbolic meanings for different colors, where, for example, white resonates with the moon and about new life and creation. So you guys can really just look up the different meanings of colors and integrate that into making your dream catcher. So for the last bit, I'm just going to attach the flowers with the little strip they have on the back, and I'm just going to let it charge up in the light for a bit, and I'm going to add in a glow in the dark photo how it looks at night. And I really hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can also check out my 3D Dreamcatcher tutorial on my YouTube channel, and I've got all the shopping links down below in the description box in a DIY kit or custom made, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Bye!